Hello, I'm Dr. Elena Diaz. If you've ever spent a summer evening outdoors, you know the frustration of those pesky mosquitoes. They buzz, bite, and leave itchy reminders long after the sun sets. And while many of us turn to chemical sprays for relief, have you ever stopped to consider what those chemicals might be doing inside your lungs? Today, I want to share some eye-opening facts about the hidden dangers of common insecticides, and most importantly, show you how a simple tomato and other natural remedies can protect you and your family from mosquito bites the safe way. Part 1: The Hidden Danger. What insecticides are doing to your lungs and health. Chemical insecticides like DEET and pyrethroids are marketed as our best defense against mosquitoes, but mounting evidence shows there's more to the story. Studies have revealed that prolonged exposure to these chemicals can irritate airway tissues, worsen asthma, and trigger other lung problems. In elderly adults, whose respiratory systems are often more fragile due to conditions like COPD or emphysema, the impact can be even more severe. These chemicals often linger in indoor air well beyond application, creating a persistent exposure risk. Even if you keep windows open, residues accumulate on furniture, carpets, and bedding. What's more, overusing chemical sprays can push mosquitoes to develop resistance, rendering our sprays less effective over time. This means the battle becomes harder, and chemicals become more concentrated or frequent, increasing risks. So what can we do? Thankfully, nature offers powerful alternatives. Part 2: Natural mosquito repellent methods that work. And you have them at home! Let's walk through some natural, easy-to-use mosquito repellents that don't compromise your health. Salt and vinegar spray. You might never have thought salt and vinegar could repel mosquitoes, but their combination creates an environment mosquitoes avoid. The acidity from vinegar disrupts their sensory receptors, while salt's drying effect adds to the deterrent. How to make it? Mix 1 tablespoon of common table salt with a cup of white vinegar in a spray bottle. Shake well and spritz around windows, doorsteps, and outdoor seating every few days. It's inexpensive, natural, and safe. Onion and garlic peel boil. Those skins you toss away? Don't anymore. Onion and garlic peels contain sulfur compounds that mosquitoes hate. Boil the peels in water, let cool, and use the water to spray on your skin or outdoor seating areas. This old folk remedy has real science behind it. Sulfur compounds have been shown to repel mosquitoes without toxic side effects. Soap bubble trap. It sounds whimsical, but it's highly effective. A simple bowl of warm water mixed with a few drops of liquid soap breaks the surface tension. Mosquitoes trying to land get trapped and can't escape. Basil and rosemary plants. Plant pots of fragrant basil and rosemary around your porch or windows. Crush a few leaves and rub them on your skin for short-term protection. Scientific studies have found essential oils from these herbs to have mosquito-repelling properties comparable to mild commercial repellents. Tomatoes' incredible power. Now back to our tomato. Tomato plants produce natural compounds akin to pyrethrum, a well-known natural insecticide used globally. Simply placing tomato leaves near doorways or windows can discourage mosquitoes. You can gently rub crushed fresh tomato leaves on your skin as a natural repellent, but always test a small patch first to avoid irritation. Part 3: Mosquito bite. First aid. What to do when the bite happens. Even with prevention, bites can occur. Here's how to care for them. 1. Clean the area gently with soap and water to reduce infection risk. 2. Apply a cold compress or wrapped ice for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce swelling and itchiness. 3. Use soothing creams like calamine lotion or over-the-counter 1% hydrocortisone cream. Natural options such as aloe vera gel or diluted tea tree oil may also help relieve irritation. 4. Avoid scratching, which can break the skin and lead to secondary infections. 5. Consider oral antihistamines for severe itching, but check with your healthcare provider first. 6. Seek medical care if you observe signs of infection, redness, warmth, pus, allergic reaction, difficulty breathing, swelling, or if symptoms worsen. Part 4. The complete picture. Combining safety, nature, and awareness for a bite-free summer. We don't have to sacrifice our lung health or expose ourselves to harmful chemicals just to enjoy the outdoors. Simple kitchen ingredients like salt, vinegar, onion and garlic peels, and a humble tomato offer surprisingly effective mosquito deterrents. Couple these with environmental steps: eliminating standing water, wearing light-colored, loose clothing, and using fans to create airflow. and you dramatically reduce mosquito encounters. When prevention isn't enough, proper first aid can mitigate discomfort and prevent complications. Closing thoughts. This summer, take control with safe, natural alternatives that respect your body and the environment. The solution is both inside your kitchen and just outside your doorstep. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel for more straightforward, science-based health tips made especially for seniors. I'm Dr. Elena Diaz. Stay safe, stay comfortable, and enjoy a mosquito-free summer.